Shaira, you prepare for party? Shaira, use GPS. 38 peso. Not easy to find this. Interesting style, yes? Look like church. You scared to go upstairs?
Yes.
GQ Villas. How much? 12,000 peso?
Yeah.
What is this, Shaira?
It's my baby.
Wait. I will go to help to Georgi. Walking street video, it's already in. Wrong way. What's why traffic? Party for tricycle drivers. Hi everyone. Today is Saturday and we go with Shaira and her family. Where, Shaira?
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Smalay Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon and we're going to GQ Villa near Angeles, Pampanga, and we're going to have party there with my family from Manila, and they will gonna show the place there. So let's go.
I never been in this place. Shaira said it's a new resort, so we can show to you this resort. Today very good weather. Shaira, you prepare for party?
Yes.
Shaira, change hair
Color.
style, color, yes.
I want to be. Yes.
So you like this color,
I
Shaira?
like with color.
And we take bottle water, big water. Maybe because don't have water.
Have water there,
Have
but
water.
it's for baby.
Ah, it's for baby, yes.
That's why we need to take this one. Even the milk also.
Oh, big truck, turning. And today in the Clark music festival. That's why so many people today in the road. I think many people from different provinces going to the Clark. And I think most of hotels near Walking Street and also in the Clark fully booking this day, because music festival for 2 days. And we will use now NLEX Road to Pandan in Mining. It's a place in Angeles city. And we use now NLEX Road to Angeles exit. It's from Mabalacat. Shaira, use GPS. In front you can see Arayat. Peso from Mabalacat to Angeles Market Mall. This is Market Mall. Oh, they built Market Mall Doctor Medical Center. You see, it's new, Shaira?
No?
Not
Oh, maybe new?
new.
Yes.
Market Doctors Medical Center. And traffic always here. And returning to Mining. Shaira is Barangay Mining.
It's Pandan Tabun Road.
Okay. not easy to find this place. We're already here. Hi. 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 Hello. Hi.
Ano lang po?
Oh, billiard also have. Thank you.
Results for karaoke. Rose with a smaller razor and karaoke can use a cover. 98
Interesting style, yes? Look like church. Yes?
No, it's not look like church.
Look like church. No, this one. Look like church.
You can go inside so that you can see.
Ага, окей.
You can go inside.
Yeah, I want to see. А вот, is this room?
Да, it's room.
Can?
Да.
Okay, can you? Because I don't want to remove.
This is the room. I'm also in the top.
Go to upstairs, Shira.
No, I cannot because I'm scared.
You scared to go
Yes.
to upstairs?
Yes.
But why? Upstairs maybe better.
Yeah, better.
But where you sleep? Here in the... Ah. Okay, oh, interesting. So many birds, Shira, see. Oh, bird I like. I will put in the description of the video. For bird also. Shara, I see, interesting for bird. It's good. Good style.
Of the bird.
Yeah, so many bird, yeah. It's for barbecue prepare.
Bonfire.
Ah, bonfire. Not for barbecue, okay.
Later, maybe at 10 p.m. maybe.
Mhm.
Because it's cold here.
Yeah, I know. Already about 20 night time.
It's a vacant lot on the other side and then more plants.
You know how much one night?
Here?
Yes, how much? 12,000 peso.
Yeah.
It's good. Including already one house,
One house,
kitchen, all including swimming pool. All.
yards,
Ah.
karaoke.
It's good.
Yeah.
12,000. How many people allowed here?
20 to 30.
20-30 persons. Oh, good.
Big table.
Yes, good.
Parking is big also.
Mhm. Also outside can park car.
Yeah, outside can park.
Because I cannot stay here, I need to also help to my friend.
Yeah.
That's why I send Shira only.
But you can go back anytime.
Okay. What is this, Shira?
It's my baby.
Wait. Yeah, it's a good place. Hi.
More videos up next. No, next to you, Lisa.
If rain time, we can stay here inside. Shaira, Shaira. I need to go because also Georgi waiting for me. So I will go to help to Georgi and later maybe I come back again. But first I need to go to Balibago. Yes, okay. Balibago again, traffic, always traffic. Forbidden walking street now. Forbidden for tourists. Ryanair, Pure Gold, Tao. Going to parking. Georgi already bought what he want. He want water. And he may be waiting already for me. Traffic, you see, heavy traffic. Weekend, of course. I use now DJI Nano camera and I charging right now. Good camera, really, I like, because I can use anywhere. Today I planning go to Balibago, walk also with Georgi. So in next video you can watch this video. And now he said he want to buy water. That's why I wait him. Also we planning to go to Clark Park jogging with Georgi. Sorry, walking street video, it's already in the past, so I don't want to go to walking street. Even they don't give me any document, but they said not allowed. That's why, if not allowed, they said, even they don't have any document. It's a touristic police, it's barangay people. So they don't like if someone filming in the walking street, red street. That's why I don't want to go. Maybe someday I will ask in the office, allowed or not. But now I don't want. I just don't like go to walking street. It's okay. People can filming, other bloggers can filming in the walking street, hide camera or something do another way. I don't want to hide camera. If I go to walking street, if they allowed, I will ask if they allowed, I will go to take video to Walking Street to filming. If they said not allowed, even if they don't have any document, I don't want to go. That's why in my video you can see Fields Avenue nearby Red Street, Walking Street, but not inside Walking Street. I hope you understand me, and thank you for everyone who watching us. And also maybe you know it's this is YouTube channel. It's not only about Walking Street video. It's about our life in the Philippines, but most of the people want to see Walking Street. That's why we need to show to you Walking Street and the nearby streets, Fields Avenue also. But it's not important for me or for Shira, because only it's because you like. Georgi already waiting for me. Where Georgi? I don't know where. Yes, here outside. Okay, let's go. You see, Georgi, traffic today. Traffic, heavy traffic. Today, Clark Music Festival. I think you remember this festival. Before, maybe 3 years ago, we already visit this festival. Traffic, 2 ways traffic. We already come back to Balibago. We just turning to Balibago, and take a look, it's already traffic. I think we already 5 minutes waiting. Maybe, I don't know, maybe Georgi, what is, maybe accident or not? A long time we waiting. Maybe accident, yes. I know why traffic, because this is cars, they go into the wrong line, wrong way. That's why traffic. You see, it's already another line. That's why traffic. This is cars, this is wrong way. Friendship Main Gate Terminal, and we go into the left Tiger Hotel direction. Dollar today 58.80. 58.80. also traffic. Better walk here. Better walk. That's why I park car near Georgi apartment, and we will walk together. This is Tiger Hotel and Evrika, space for party. Party for tricycle drivers. And parking also. 50 peso 1 hour. One tourist. Lot for sale. Take a look. Lot for sale. Oh, we already near Georgia apartment. Blue Bookers, Portelli 1. Okay. Cat Place. Oh, so many water. Sit, don't worry. Afraid. Last time you also bought the same or more?
No.
More? But why you need to buy more? Okay? Okay.